to optimize the charging stops along your travel route. The e-tron route planner can do this for you. For the initial configuration, open Navigation and then Settings at the top right. Select Charging Settings. The e-tron route planner should be activated so that charging stations can be planned for you as needed during your journey. If you have a current Audi charging contract, activate this option. The e-tron route planner also takes into account the minimum charge level that you wish to arrive with at your destination. Reduce the minimum charge level if you can recharge directly at your destination. Use the second slider to set the minimum charge level that you'll reach the charging stations along your route with. You've now completed the initial configuration. To plan a route, open the search bar by clicking the magnifying glass. Enter your destination address. Charging stops that may be necessary along your route will be automatically taken into account, and quick charging points will be prioritized. By the way, the blue circle around your current position shows the maximum distance you can travel with your battery charge. If necessary, you can change the number of planned charging stops along your route. Simply select the charging station you wish to use on the map. In the detailed display, you can see, for example, the charging station's opening times, how many charging points are in use, and the accepted payment methods, such as plug and charge. Scroll down for more information. Add the new charging stop by tapping on it. Your charging plan along the route will be updated automatically and will be adapted according to your driving style.